and restoration. Can I savor those moments as pure agony and writhe leave in the presence of your touch and the warmth of your words, taking abode in me as you soften my core with your voice? Can I savor those moments in times of hopelessness as you reach out to my brokenness to stitch those cracks of silent shrieks to lift me up from the rubble? Can I savor those moments when you pull me out of my despair that retained in reality as I determined to doom to upheave? Can I finally savor those moments of eventual happiness as you lead me by hand to repair the shell of brokenness that brought me to unknown healing?